Guys, I have to make this emergency video for you right in the middle of my day because something huge is happening right now and I need to show you. As we can take a look into the charts, what we are seeing right now, guys, is the market is breaking down fast. What the heck is happening? Why is Bitcoin? Why is Shiba Inu? Why is Dogecoin? Why are they crashing right now? Why are they going down? Well, guys, right now I'm going to be showing you exactly why this is. And before we get into the video, make sure you smash up the like button to an all-time high, especially if you love cryptocurrency videos like this, where I'm just making it off the cuff to let you know what's exactly happening at every moment and when things are very, very critical. Yes, things are getting crazy right now. And what is actually happening is there's the Russian-Ukraine invasion. There's rumors of Russia actually starting to invade. There is a whole bunch of stuff happening. The Fed has come out today and said that they will potentially be raising interest rates in March. And so that is causing fear. And this whole Russian thing is causing fear. That's why we are seeing the stock market also go down as well. Look at this. We have the NASDAQ going down. We have the S&P 500. It is going down. So it is pulling the stock market. It is pulling the crypto market down as well. Look, the NASDAQ is down 2%. Guys, a 2% move in the NASDAQ is absolutely huge. It is huge. And also, before we get into the video, make sure you join the Patreon. It is the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, where I'm putting constant updates to when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, where you see my moves at all times. I am a professional crypto day trader. And look at this. I make constant updates. I'm going to show you right here. I make constant updates when the market starts to flip. You can go on here. You can see all these updates. You can see buy alerts. Look at this. I give updates with technical analysis, where we are headed, a whole bunch of very important information, guys, that you cannot miss. So go ahead and join the Patreon. The link is in my video description. Follow all of my links below. Check out, I have socials. Check out my socials below. I have a bunch of links in there to make you money in crypto. But most importantly, let's get into the video. But go ahead and look at this new place I just bought in Miami. Beautiful, wonderful condo where we are on the water and we have a Shiba Inu right there on the back porch. This place came with the Shiba Inu. Can you believe it? Just a wild Shiba Inu right in the backyard there, right in the back porch. Wonderful to see. But most importantly, let's get back into the charts, guys. And also let me know in the comments below if you like me coming out with these emergency videos, no matter what I'm doing, to give you guys the best information at the right time. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. Let me actually show you guys what is happening and where we are likely headed. So what is actually happening right now is that most cryptocurrencies have broken down. Look at this. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is continuing to break down further, guys. This is not a good sign at all. No, I think we're actually probably going to crash lower, guys. We're probably going to end up crashing lower. Look, Bitcoin broke this support level today. Last night, I put an alert out showing you guys, this is what's happening. This is what's likely going to happen. And it ended up happening, unfortunately. The market was bullish. The market was bullish. And you guys say I contradict myself all the time. The market is constantly changing up and down, up and down. And the trend of the market is changing, especially in the shorter time frames, which I like to trade. I'm a professional day trader. So what I look for is these breakouts. I put the buy alert here. So when you see the breakouts, I post it in the Patreon and we can make some crazy quick gains. You pull out, you sell, you take your profits, and then it starts to go down. We can even short when the market is coming down. But what we like to wait for is whenever there is crashes, guys, whenever there is a drop, there's always a very, very big bounce. And whenever there are big drops, guys, there's always a very big bounce. Look at this. Let me show you this. If we just zoom out a little bit, look, we had a drop over here, a bunch of FUD. Look, a drop and then a quick bounce up. Look, if you would have bought the dip, which we do announce in the Patreon, you would have made, look, 8% in literally a super, super short amount of time, guys. One day you would have made 8%, 10%. And this is just with Bitcoin. When we put these buy alerts, we buy other cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu, we buy BNB, and these cryptocurrencies way outperform Bitcoin. But what I personally think is happening, the reason why this is happening is because there are rumors that Russia is potentially now already invading. Ukraine, and that is causing a lot of FUD. That's why we are starting to see the market drop. And in addition to that, the Fed is trying to raise interest rates, guys. So these two things right here are going to affect the crypto market. But here's the thing. A lot of people ask me, Miles, what does that have to do with cryptos? Why does that affect cryptocurrencies? Well, what it is, it's whale manipulation. Whales, whenever there's bad news, what they do is they sell off, they cause fear, they cause articles to come out. They want people to sell so they can buy cryptos and stocks cheaper. But they come out with these articles, they drop the market so they can buy. So they can cause panic and people to sell off so they can buy the dips and make money by you selling your cryptos at a discount. That's what it's all about. Whenever there's a piece of news that comes out, whether it's bullish or negative, The whales will pump it or they will either dump it at their command. And that's why things drop on news. That's why Bitcoin and cryptos drop. Also because Bitcoin is led by Wall Street and the stock market. When the stock market goes down based off news, which is very, very emotional, it causes the crypto market to drop as well. So that's what's happening. We had Ukraine, we had interest rates. That's what's really happening. And personally, I think if Russia does invade Ukraine, which there are rumors that it's really just fake news out there, that it's not going to be happening. But if it were to be the case, I think it would just be a temporary thing. There'd be some type of solution, which would then pump up the market again. But if there were to be some news, I think it definitely would see a bigger crash. We would see a bigger crash, we'd see a bigger dip, but it can only dip so far because of that news. And if the Fed is going to raise interest rates, it could actually be a bullish event because they're combating inflation. They're raising interest rates to help out inflation. And when they help out inflation, that actually helps out the whole market overall. But it's just a temporary solution. So there can be bullish and bearish things with both pieces of news, but that's why the market is heading down. But I personally think that the market is certainly going to head lower, but I would not be surprised if we get a very quick and big bounce here soon, guys, which we will be waiting for in the Patreon. So make sure you stay tuned because things are about to get crazy. But in conclusion, yes, the market is in the shorter term. We're looking at a very small time frame. We're looking at the next week, the next couple of weeks. Eventually, the market is going to bounce up and continue to recover and do so very, very fast. So whether the market drops, you don't need to be selling everything like a professional trader. If you have a regular job, it's just best, and I recommend, it's not financial advice, just my own opinion, but to dollar cost average and to buy these dips because we are probably going to be seeing some really good discounts, which we may not see at all this year. That's how strong the crypto market is, and that's how fast and big I think the crypto market is going to bounce and recover this year. Let me know if you agree with that in the comments below. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with a friend or family member, and I will see you later.